Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the easy steps to register for a CoinZoom trading account. Let's get started with the step-by-step process. Step 1. Visit the CoinZoom website. Open your web browser and navigate to the official CoinZoom website at www.coinzoom.com. Look for the Sign Up button prominently displayed on the homepage. Step 2. Create your account. Click on the Sign Up button. You will be directed to a registration form. Enter the required details, including your email address, a strong password, and agree to the terms and conditions. Step 3. Verify your email. Once you've submitted the registration form, check your email inbox for a verification link from CoinZoom. Click on the link to verify your email address and activate your account. Step 4. Complete your profile. After verifying your email, return to the CoinZoom website and log into your account. You will need to complete your profile by providing additional information such as your full name, phone number, and address. Step 5. Identity verification. To comply with regulatory requirements, CoinZoom will require you to verify your identity. You will need to upload a valid government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license, and possibly a selfie for facial verification. Step 6. Enable two-factor authentication. For added security, it's highly recommended to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for your account. This step will help protect your account from unauthorized access. Step 7. Fund your account. Once your account is fully verified, you can deposit funds. Navigate to the Funds section, select your preferred deposit method, bank transfer, debit, credit card, etc., and follow the instructions to add funds to your account. Step 8. Start trading. Now that your account is funded, you are ready to start trading. Explore the CoinZoom platform, familiarize yourself with the interface, and begin buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Thank you for joining us today.